be making this simple graduation card. I'm using a 6x4" base card here. This is the coloring process using zig markers in time-lapse. By the way, I stamped this using Colorbox black ink. I then fussy cut the image. Here, I'm cutting a smaller rectangle to serve as an inner layer to layer my card. I'm just using some post-it tape to hold the papers in place. Initially, I thought that Jay would look good on this card, but eventually I changed my mind and used the hooray. Then I use some post-it tapes to hold my sentiments and die cuts in place. Here's me trying to figure out the placement of the elements in the card. I then use the color box white to serve as an outline for the sentiment. But I did not like the way this turned out, which you will see later that I changed this. So this was what I was mentioning earlier. I did not like how the white turned out. So I stamped another image using light brown and then grow over it with a gold metallic pen. Here's me trying to make a line to make my sentiments be straight. So here's my stamping process of the sentiments. Using a glue tape, I then attach the inside panel into the base card. I'm attaching the Gold Hooray die cut using a glue tape. And the graduating girl, I put up some foam tape to give her a little dimension to make the girl pop out. I tried to cover the previously white stamp sentiment, which I did not like. With the gold one, which I made using the metallic gold pen. I then attached a foam tape to give it a little dimension. So here's me adding some little stars of nail art. On top of the gold foiled hooray sentiment. Then some more little polishing, adding handmade by stamp and erasing the pencil lines used to have the sentiments straight. And here's the finished simple graduation card. Isn't she adorable?